Today I bring information about a product that many people still have doubts about. We have a tire revitalizer that is a success, but few people know about Octoshield, our rubber conditioner. And in this video I will show you the characteristics of this product. A product that gives a satin finish to the tire, is water repellent and anti-static. What does this mean? It doesn't attract dust, folks. Besides doing a good job bringing that satin finish, it also hydrates the rubber. And another very important point, it can be used on any type of rubber. Folks, now let's move on to the application, and you'll see the difference between a sealant and a rubber conditioner. Remember, shake your product. And let's go to the application, folks. This is the result of Octoshield, our tire conditioner, and below you can see the difference. We have a revitalizer, the tire just treated with the hat, and here on our right, the application of Octoshield. So if you still have doubts, try Octoshield, the rubber and tire conditioner from Dub Boyz. And if you're enjoying this video, keep following us on YouTube and social media. And one detail, subscribe to the channel, folks.